Hello, welcome to 12 Days of Agent 2. Today is day 9 and we're launching Invideo for Enterprise. I'm Sid and this is Dhruv. Together, we lead enterprise at Invideo.
Invideo for Enterprise is built for creative teams at large organizations that want to make AI work in a scalable manner. We're now enterprise grade ready when it comes to security, admin, legal, offer the best-in-class onboarding and support, and some really cool exclusive features. We guarantee that your enterprise data is never used for any model training. All inputs and outputs specifically stay yours. IP is completely owned by you. The platform is SOC 2 ready, GDPR compliant, penetration testing done. It is built to scale with your organization.
The best part is it comes with features that nobody else offers. Infinite seats, so you don't have to bother about managing licenses. Credits that never expire. And finally, multiplayer access, so both your internal as well as external teams can collaborate together on the same project. You can manage who uses your workspace and how it is used, which means that clear privacy in terms of workspaces, which users within your org have access to it, as well as clear budget controls on spends as well as models, both per project as well as per user.
Now coming to the enterprise platform, as you know, any long form or scalable work requires great memory. While the agent had it, Agent 2 does a fantastic job. It has infinite memory. Whether you come on day 1, day 180, day 360, day 720, you can always start from where you left off. There is no file compression. The agent always remembers. Sometimes large organizations have a lot of data when it comes to they have their own DAMs, their CMS, and it requires the agent to go and fetch that information. The beauty about Agent 2 is it can go find that information very seamlessly and create very scalable work for you.
Agent 2 is not an off-the-shelf Hermes or OpenClaw that can do flight bookings as well as edit your mom's Excel sheet along with creating content. Agent 2 is a custom-built bespoke agent dedicated to content creation. It understands your workflow, it understands the script, it understands your characters, and follows the workflow end to end, kind of like your personal production assistant. Also models. The agent is built on top of 200 plus image, video, audio, and music models. We understand that certain companies have red, amber, green when it comes to these models. Invideo has signed contracts with all of these model providers, so you don't have to. Your legal team signs up with Invideo, and that's it. For companies that require real scale and require custom pipelines for their work, for example, an e-commerce company that requires 10,000 PDP videos, we help create these pipelines so that your work gets accelerated.
The third part of our enterprise offering is training and support. The idea is to bring in that human element, irrespective of whether you are AI native or someone who has never touched AI video before. We will work with you to get you the output that you desire.
And finally, support. We meet your teams where they already are, be it Slack or WhatsApp. Now, there could be two kinds of challenges, technical as well as creative. Technical, obviously, but also creative. Let's say your team is stuck in a creative roadblock. Invideo is 1/3 filmmakers, and a creative filmmaker is going to be your point of contact. So when you are stuck and you face a roadblock, you know there's a filmmaker at the other end of it that can help you through it.
So that's Invideo for Enterprise, built for teams just like yours. Why don't you head over to invideo.io, enterprise, bring in your hardest workflows, set up some time with us, and we'll get the engagement going.